Alright guys, we're going to give this a shot. I've got two new discs from Discmania, the Paradigm, upside down, and I got another one. Actually got a third one as well. Gonna try throwing them today. It's about 25, 35 mile an hour gusts. It's super windy today. So probably just gonna learn that these discs aren't for wind and not to film a video in the wind, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, that was fantastic. Alright, see if we can get a little Annie with this tailwind. Not good. I'm going to go ahead and throw the Stratosphere and the Enigma I got in the mystery box. The Enigma is actually really close in flight numbers, but here's the Stratosphere. Not too shabby. I get a little higher. Here's the Enigma. That one didn't turn out too bad. Glad I didn't hit the ditch. Alright, if wind noise wasn't enough sound for you, we now have a train. I'm gonna try four-handing one of these just because I've got a straight up 30-mile-an-hour tailwind and see if I can get anything on it. Yeah, everything is super beef with a 35-mile-an-hour tailwind. Try for it back in. Nice air bounce. Hopefully you can see some of this and hear any of it. Good news for us, the train is stopping. That's bad news for everybody that they're blocking the intersection. I don't know how far away we are, probably 260, 270. I'll see if we can hit a 50-footer with a straight tailwind. Probably not. Probably not even gonna be able to get it there. Hit the bottom of the post. Alright, so that first hole sure made it look like this disc was beefy as all get out, but got a little bit more of a headwind at this point. Not a straight headwind, more of a right to left headwind. I'm going to guess this thing's going to flip over, but we'll see. There she goes. See if I can put it on a lot more hyzer here. Well, the good news is I put it on more hyzer. Probably not going to catch this in the video, but the wind really took it, and I'm probably at least 150 feet left now. Yeah, this might not be the best wind disc. Alright, so this isn't a whole lot of fun, but it's hilarious maybe. I'm going to try to approach with a new disc I got, dyed by Greazy dyes. This thing is freaking sick looking. See if I can get close with this at all. It's actually become tricky to even keep the tripod straight, right side up. Keeps wanting to blow over. I don't know how I can pull this off, but hopefully we can get it close. Skip. That's not super close. I have like a 40-footer. Yeah, it's probably circle's edge putt, which feels terrifying in this wind. Ah, hit chains. Turns out that greenish blue Paradigm was about 200 feet left. I was pin high, but I almost hit the basket of Wildcat 17 for anybody that knows this course very well. Pretty impressive. This hole is only 250 feet, something like that, but it's an island. There's probably 0% chance I hit the island, but hey, we'll give her a shot. Wow, just shoves it straight down. Maybe a forehand. Probably also not. Oh, that's gone. That's gone. It's gone. Hey, you thought my shots were bad. I found Dylan Murphy's escape. That was slightly worse than my best shot. Just kidding, Dylan. I'll try to get your disc back to you. Meanwhile, I'm going to see if I can hit this putt into a headwind on an elevated basket. Super difficult putt here. Straight headwind, elevated basket. Let's go! First try! Well, I am officially out of the wind. Glad to be out of the wind. It's pretty stinking windy out there. It's not really cold, but man, just never would give up. So the Paradigm flight numbers are 12.6, -1.5, and 2. Can't wait to see how they fly in not ridiculous conditions. It could be fun. We'll have to see. I have to come back out and review them for real whenever it's not so crazy windy out. That was fun. Probably mostly learned not to film on windy days. But maybe not. We'll see how this turns out from an edit's perspective. It might be hilarious, or I might never do it again. Hope you guys enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Solid. Try to hit this headwind putt. Elevated basket. Could be the hardest putt ever on this hole. Let's see what we can do. The most terrifying putt, elevated headwinder. This could be impossible with the headwind elevated. Aim low and right. Headwind putt, elevated basket. Here we go. Headwind putt, elevated basket. Here we go. Missed. Wow! Here we go. Headwind putt. Straight uphill. Here we go. Easy putt. Slightly headwind to an elevated basket. Gone. Here we go. Straight headwind. Ah! So windy. Straight headwind. Elevated basket. Let's go! No.